Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have come up with a unique recipe from wheat flour, which is veggie pockets, or also called as Mughalai veg paratha. You can make this recipe for lunch, breakfast, or even for dinner. It requires minimal oil and it is packed with veggies, which makes it healthy too. This recipe is ideal to pack for traveling too, and it's very yummy to eat for kids and elders too. So if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe for more yummy videos. So let's get started. First, let's make the dough ready. For it, add 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a bowl. Add salt to taste. Mix it once. 1 tablespoon of hot oil. Mix the flour once. Add water as required and make a soft dough which you make for chapati. So the dough consistency should be like this, neither too soft nor too hard. Now take around 1 teaspoon of oil and knead again. Cover and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Until it rests, let's prepare the stuffing. For it, heat around 1.5 tablespoon of oil in a pan. When the oil is heated, add 1 onion finely chopped. So fry until it turns translucent. Now add 2 green chilies chopped. Fry for a while. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste or crushed ginger garlic. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Add finely chopped beans, 2 grated carrots, chopped capsicum. So if you have cabbage, you can add it. Since I'm in short of it, I'm not adding for the time being. Mix well. You need to cook them 85 to 90%. It feels good when you chew them. So all the veggies seems well cooked. Now we can add the spices. 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder or dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon lemon juice or amchur powder. So mix all the spices well. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame so that all the spices are blended nicely with the veggies. Wow, the stuffing looks yummy. Finally, add chopped cilantro and mix nicely. Switch off the flame and allow the stuffing to cool down completely. Now let's roll the chapatis. Divide the dough into equal portions and take a dough. Knead it between your palms nicely. Dust it with flour and roll it like a chapati, neither too thick nor too thin. Roll it like this. So as you can see, it is of medium thickness. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of stuffing and spread it like this. So spread little water at the bottom and top and fold it like this. Now do the same to the sides. So seal and fold nicely and press on the top gently. Now take it and fry it on a hot tawa or pan. First, flip and fry both sides for a while. Then add oil on both sides and fry in medium flame. Fry in low to medium flame so that the flour inside is also fried nicely. So when it is fried nicely on both the sides, fry the sides with the help of tongs. Wow, it is now fully fried from both top, bottom and all the sides. Take it out and serve it hot. Let me show you by cutting it open. It looks so yummy. So you too prepare this at your home and share your experiences with me in the comments below. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe for more yummy videos. And press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching.